Final video to fix SCRCPY black screen in apps and lock screen, because this issue prevents you from mirroring or controlling your Android device properly. Are you using SCRCPY and seeing a black screen instead of your device displaying apps or on the lock screen? This problem happens when USB debugging is not enabled, drivers are outdated, or SCRCPY lacks proper permissions. Sometimes conflicting software, display settings, or incompatible Android versions also trigger black screens without warning. Many users search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that restores SCRCPY display fast. This trick works because it updates drivers, enables proper permissions, and configures SCRCPY settings instead of changing random system files. You do not need advanced PC skills, risky commands, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows systems and Android devices. After this, SCRCPY shows a device correctly, apps and lock screen display properly, and black screen issues disappear. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed SCRCPY black screen using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload